Pilipinas.
May nakita akong photo mo, may hawak kang arnis. So, may action scenes.
Marami po. Ay, nagkukutsilyo na ako doon kanina.
Arnis. Arnis.
Yes, pero arnis for training, but it's actually meant for the knife stunts. So
So, why the title? Why Big Tiger?
pwede ko na ba sabihin? pero just for an overview. Ito lang po, Big Tiger is a place where they train. So, hanggang doon lang po yung pwede kong i-share.
Si Byron, kumusta? May scene kayo?
Meron. Ang sobrang okay katrabaho, Byron Man, and of course si Luke Goss, and of course Catherine McNamara. Siyempre intimidated at first, nahihiya. Kasi siyempre, ubusan ng English. ubusan tayo ng English.
Hindi ka na ubusan in fairness.
Oh, yes po. Di ba, nadadala lang tayo, go with the flow lang. But moreover that, mabait maayos sila katrabaho na syempre we have this certain impression with international stars being, up there. Para rin silang mga Pilipino in terms of being accommodating. Well, that's based on my experience and that's how I experienced them while making this film. So, happy and at the same time, ang daming kwento at dami kong natutunan and pwede pala yun na mag-collab talaga ang mga Pilipino with international partners and actors.
So does that mean you're going to be working with other actors, Filipino actors and also Hollywood stars?
Hopefully, sana. And yun naman yung dream talaga kasi syempre na-experience na rin natin. I'm not saying na-experience ko na lahat in the past 15 years but yung feeling lang of and yung hunger to experience and do more globally outside. This is an opportunity na so dapat kami po alagaan namin to and hopefully we can bring in more people to work with the Filipinos for the Filipinos as well.
Right now, Alden, are you in the planning stages or are there like moves already to make the films that are being planned?
Meron na sa Feb.
Oh.
So, ganun. Medyo actually nakakatuwa kasi ang bilis lang din ng turnovers and turnouts. So,
natuwa ka ba nung parang sinabi din na medyo cost-effective to do it in the Philippines?
very much. Actually, mura po kasi. Yan, parang for lack of a better term. So, in other words. In other words. But that's nothing to parang diminish naman anything about the Philippines. It's nothing. It's a matter of hindi kasi nila alam na we have na ganun tayo magtrabaho dito. Hindi nila alam that we have something to offer. Hindi nila alam that we are cost effective. So parang galing lang din. It's an opening and maliit lang din naman ang mundo ng production and of course filmmaking and storytelling. So eventually kakalat siya and then hopefully, di ba, parang we can make the Philippines really one of the filming destinations in Asia.